Hey, this is David. Today we're going to show you how to test and replace the oven control on your Samsung range. You might need to check out this part if your oven doesn't heat correctly, the temperature is inconsistent, or the display isn't working. Before we jump in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to AppliancePartsPros.com to find more tips for your major appliance repairs. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. First, we need to gather the tools we'll need for today's repair: a multimeter, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Always unplug your range or turn the breaker off before working on it. Ready? Let's get to it. To access the oven control, we need to pull the range out and remove the Phillips head screws that hold the back panel on. As you can see here, the control is conveniently located on the back. Find terminals T501 and T505 and unplug the wires. You should see the labels printed on the board. For this test, the range needs to be plugged in and powered on. Please be very careful to protect yourself from electric shock, which has a potential to cause serious injury. Don't ever test for voltage if you're uncomfortable using a multimeter. Go ahead and set your multimeter to AC voltage. Then turn the oven on to bake and put one lead on the T501 terminal and the other lead on the T505 terminal. You should get a reading of 240 volts AC. If the voltage is incorrect, you'll need to replace the board. If the voltage is correct, then let's check the element. If you found out that your oven control is faulty, let's replace it. Make sure the power is turned off or the oven is unplugged, and please be very careful. Since there are so many individual wires, let's do this the smart way and replace one wire at a time. We need to remove the Phillips head screws that hold the control. Our test unit only has 2, but your board should have 4. Here's the old oven control, and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Take the new control board and screw it into place under the old board. Now we can transfer the wires one at a time from the old board to the new one. If all is well, install the rear panel and you're done. Don't forget to turn the power back on or plug the range back in. You made it. Great job. We hope you were able to test or replace the oven control on your Samsung range. How did we do? And how did it go? Let us know in the comments. If you still need a new control, get your model number ready and head over to AppliancePartsPros.com to find the exact replacement you need. And if you have any questions or want to confirm a part before placing an order, just give us a call. Thanks for choosing us, and we'll see you next time.